But yeah, they put those are called PEX, right? PEX, PEX. There's all the little vents. That's the kitchen sink. That's the dishwasher. This is the shower to the extra bath. Like that. And the pecs go all around. All over there. And they haven't set up the washer yet. They haven't finished. But it's where the washer is gonna go. All that got done. And then this is, well, they haven't even started this, but this is the shower. And then, but I guess mostly they just finished the kitchen. And running stuff out and around. Where's like the main water line?
Right here.
Oh, so the main water line is gonna be right here. Ooh, that's low. It's gonna be in.
See how thick it is?
Oh, it's thick.
It's 1 inch.
Let me see. Oh, wow. So the main water line's in Ethan's room. I guess this is
No,
gonna
what
be,
it's gonna do is it's gonna go up.
or Emma's room.
See right here? That
Uh-huh.
hole? It's gonna go up into the attic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty neat. They have everything secured and arch, I guess.
And this will run good. And also, if you notice, these white pipes that go all the way through the ceiling, those are vents. So that when, oh, they blew open.
Uh-oh, oops.
So when,
The doors blew open
but see, you can
because
see
we
all-
had the front door open. Today we have a hose run from my mom's well all the way to the house. And they are going to start the water in just a few minutes. I'll show the inside. They're in there working. Okay, he's turning on the water. We're rolling. We're rolling. Turned on the water. We're gonna hurry around. I'm not sure where they're going. They're going. See, the water is on. We're gonna go around back. He's working on the faucet right there. You see as the water comes out. I guess. It's a lot of sit and wait. This is going to be either elegant disaster or a great success?
I'm gonna open up one of those bags. Oh, look at this color coding, hot and cold. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna pause it. Looks like we might not have enough pressure.
Have it opened on
He didn't have it open. Okay. Let's see. Let's go see.
Alright. They're coming back in.
They're coming back in.
Oh, look at, you can see the pressure on the lines up there.
Oh,
Excuse me, just gotta come back here.
oh sure. Right here is where I thought something great was going to happen. There was going to be movement or something. But I hear bubbling. We got it! We get bubbling, and essentially the water has filled up all the PEX and run through the house. And as long as we don't see any leaks, it's good. See those black pipe covers right there? They're going to put those pipe covers, the ones laying in front of the plumber right there. They're going to put those covers on top of all the PEX. But yeah, I expected something great to happen, but it didn't. But I guess it was great. There was no leaks. Okay, they had a delivery today, and they came from McCoy's with a forklift, and we don't know what they delivered. The plumbers finished today. We had a successful test. What is it?
Our sliding glass door.
A sliding glass door? Oh, that got delivered today. Well, look at there. Wow. Awesome.
Wrapped all
And the plumbers wrapped all the PEX. Here's the leftovers they had. But they wrapped it all in this styrofoam. I don't know. What is this? It's not styrofoam, is it?
No,
Insulation. Well, it's rubbery insulation. And they wrap the pipes in that everywhere.
And see, here's another fun fact.
What?
Look at over the PEX lines and over the vents when it goes through the 2x4. See that silver plate?
Wait, right here? Yes.
That's to keep you from drilling through.
Oh, that's to keep you from drilling through the pipes.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Another benefit of drilling.
Oh, that's pretty neat. Look at that. I don't know if the camera picks that up there on the side. Spider. I don't like spiders. They put the thing in for the shower today. And they continued covering all the pipes and that black plastic stuff. And Derek's still enjoying his new little tractor. Somebody's coming around on the little garden tractor. Wonder who it is. Here they come. It's Emma. All right, Emma.